While I was thus employed by my master, I was often a witness to cruelties of every kind which were exercised on my unhappy fellow slaves. It was common in several of the islands, particularly in St. Kitts, for the slaves to be branded with the initial letters of their master's name. And a load of heavy iron hooks hung about their necks. Indeed, on the most trifling occasions, they were loaded with chains, and often instruments of torture were added. The iron muzzle, thumbscrews, etc. are well known as not to need a description, and were sometimes applied for the slightest faults. I have seen a Negro beaten till some of his bones were broken for even letting a pot boil over. While I was in this place, St. Kitts, a very curious imposition on human nature took place. A white man wanted to marry in the church a free black woman that had land and slaves in Montserrat. But the clergyman told him it was against the law of that place to marry a white and a black in the church.